Hello taco lovers, it's Hatch Chile season, so I'm making some Hatch Chile Verde tacos.
To make this, we're using 1.5 pounds of cubed pork, 2 baking potatoes, cubed, 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 Hatch Chile green pepper, diced, 1 can of corn, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 2 cups of salsa verde. We are going to put that in the slow cooker on low for 5 hours. Every year, Hatch Chile season arrives like a flash of green fire, and then it's gone. For a few short weeks, New Mexico's peppers are at their peak, filling kitchens with that unmistakable smoky scent. If you blink, you miss it. That's the lesson in a Hatch Chile Verde taco. Its flavor is a reminder to pause, breathe, and taste what's here now. Like these chiles, every moment in our lives is seasonal. Precious because it doesn't last forever. So when you bite into that taco, let it ground you. Savor the spice, the warmth, the fleeting perfection, because presence is the real recipe. And today is the only time it's on the menu.